Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you guys asked for it and we're delivering today. Behind me we have a brand new Ram 1500. It's a 2022 and we're going to show you guys how to make this, frankly boring sounding truck right now, sound insane at a touch of a button. So for this Ram 1500, the exhaust diameter is 3 inches. So in the kit here we've got a universal valve muffler kit that has the vacuum and everything included. So open this up, show you guys exactly what's included in the kit. So in the kit we have one of our 3-inch universal mufflers. You can tell this is our new style, new generation of muffler. It's got our logo here, and of course the 3-inch diversion pipes. You'll see a lot of other people out there, they don't do this. You need to have everything be 3-inch. If not, the car is not going to sound correct when the valves are closed. So we have this. In the kit is our vacuum control box here. Everything is included inside. We got our vacuum box here, vacuum tubing, control harness for the wiring, and then of course our proprietary Valvetronic Designs key fob to control the entire brains of the operation. Again, as stated in this video, we're going to walk you through every step of the way and everything you need to consider when it's time to modify your truck or car or any vehicle you desire to have the valve capability. We're going to show you the sound clips stock, get the muffler installed, show you how to do that, wire everything up, and then remember to stay around to the end because when we show you how good this truck sounds, it's going to blow you away. Alright guys, so we're here at Lou's Custom Exhaust. Luke, who's over there, who loves us very much. Very nice. What we're going to do is as follows. We got the 2 rear resonators here. We're going to remove those and replace those with straight sections. And then we have the large suitcase muffler in the center. With that, we're going to remove the suitcase muffler, and then we're going to install the valved one, button this all up, remove the resonators, and we should be on a great path to make this thing sound really, really incredible. So stay tuned for that. The cameraman right now is going to grab some more shots of how this looks underneath. We'll show you before, and we'll show you after. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just finished up the underside portion of installing the Valvetronic system into this Ram 1500. What we did is on both the passenger and driver side, we did rear resonator deletes here, just put in a straight piece of pipe back here, add a little bit more volume, and then the main piece of the puzzle is here in the center, adding our 3-inch universal valve muffler. What we did is the system from factory has a large suitcase style muffler. It's about 2 feet long. So we removed that out and we put in the Valvetronic system here. Obviously ours is 3-inch here with the 3-inch diversion pipe, and the shop here fabricated in. We're here at Lou's in Medford. We highly recommend to do this. They've done a lot of them. They know what works and they also know what doesn't work. So definitely ask their opinion on which way to go with these things. So again, we got this installed and the valves are operating properly because here is how we ran the vacuum lines. Underneath these trucks, whether it's a Tundra, Ram, F-150, Tacoma, they're all going to have body plugs under the car. You'll see in a cutaway photo now where we ended up running the vacuum line. So the vacuum line is plugged into the muffler, and then the Rams have these side spots for you to store things. So we just have we drilled a tiny hole in the side and then just plumbed the vacuum line through it. On the other side sits the Valvetronic Designs vacuum pump, and then we just plug this into power super easy. You'll be able to see in the cutaway shots now how everything looks. Everything is super clean, super OEM. The The vacuum tubing is black to keep that stealth look, and it's a very, very simple install process. The best part about using a Lose or using a muffler shop that is familiar with these types of installs is it's very simple to put them in, and also the shop can help you just plumb the lines really quick, plug the kit into power. It takes about 15 minutes, and you now have a full Valvetronic system for whatever vehicle you drive. But now comes the main event. Let's get the electronics wired up, show you where everything goes inside the cabin, and then show you some sound clips. We've already heard what it sounds like. It sounds pretty crazy, so stick around. Just finished up the install. We've got our 3-inch universal muffler in the center where the factory muffler used to be, and then we deleted both resonators. Come with me and I'll show you guys what the vacuum control harness setup looks like. All right guys, so underneath the floor here is where we have all our controller harness. You can see here we've got our vacuum control box, and because this is a 110 outlet, we just got a converter, converted the 12 volt to 110, plugged it in, and that is as easy as the setup is to install. And in terms of where we had the vacuum line, you can see we just poked a little hole here and it's all ready to rock. Let's hear how it sounds.